In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a GA4 account so you can start tracking data on your website. To get started, go to Google Analytics and sign in with the Google account you want to use for managing your analytics. From the main screen, click Start Measuring. If you're already inside an existing analytics account, you can also get here by opening Admin, selecting Create, and then choosing Account. First, enter an account name. This is usually your company or business name, since the account can be used to organize one or more website properties. Next, choose the data sharing options you want to use. Then click Next. Now you'll create the property, which is the specific website you want to measure. Enter a property name, such as your website or brand name. Then select your local reporting time zone and the currency you use for your business reporting. These settings help ensure your reports are organized around the right dates and monetary values, so double check them before moving on. Click Next when you're ready. Quick side note, for more practical Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. On the next screen, select your industry category, your business size, and the goals that best match how you plan to use analytics. These choices help Google tailor the setup experience and recommendations for your business. Once everything is selected, click Create. Finally, review and accept the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement to finish creating the account. And that's it. You've successfully created a GA4 account and are ready to continue setting up website data tracking.